Hello everyone. In this video, we will be using a testnet with a high probability of airdrop rewards. If you're ready, let's get started. The name of the testnet is PRZYM. It's a project with significant investors. PRZYM is providing testnet tokens for its users and encouraging the use of the testnet. In return, they may offer airdrop rewards. To use the testnet, we need the Kepler wallet. Install the Kepler wallet and securely store the 12 words provided to you. After installing your Kepler wallet, navigate to the testnet link. Once on the site, you'll need to connect your Kepler wallet. To make transactions, we'll need to request testnet tokens. I'm logging into the system with my wallet. All right. As you can see, my wallet address has automatically populated. I'm requesting my tokens by clicking the Request Token button, and our tokens have arrived. Okay, now let's use our tokens. I want to perform a few swap transactions by heading to the swap section. I'm trading in the USD-SIM and Kluna pair. Since these trades will increase my trading volume, I may perform them a few times. You can also choose different cryptocurrencies here. After the swap, I'll stake some PRZYM tokens using the Earn Delegate section. Now, let's stake them. In the next step, I need to select a validator. I'm choosing the top validator and proceeding. In the final step, I confirm by pressing the Confirm button. Once I confirm the notification, my stake will be completed. Other than that, there are votes just below. You can use these votes when new ones are opened. There are different features on the site. For example, there's flow trade here. It's a futures swap. I want to try this. I can join the live flows below or create a new flow. I want to participate in one of the following transactions. I'll be participating in this transaction using USD-SIM. I've confirmed the transaction. Now, I'll start a new transaction. I click on the Create a Flow button. You can fill in the information randomly here to start a transaction. I've used this option as well. You can check what you have done in the portfolio section. I have made a few transactions and I can see them in the portfolio section. Since we've been provided testnet tokens for free, it makes sense to use all the functions of the site. Hopefully, we'll receive some great airdrop rewards. We've tried our luck and performed a few simple transactions. That's all. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.